Hi, welcome to Knowledge Base. Today actually I received my order of wireless modules, that is Wi-Fi modules from Incoshen.in. So I thought, okay, let me make a video which explains all the wireless options available for embedded systems and robotics. So this was the module which I had ordered. Okay, this is the one. Anyway, so let's begin with the options what we have. So this is the 434 megahertz sorry, this is the 434 megahertz transmitter and receiver. Okay, this is not trans receiver. That means there is one set which this one sends the data and this one receives the data. So that's how it works. Okay, so this was the initial wireless option what hobbyist and almost all electronics engineers had back then. And this is very easy if you use HT12E and HT12D ICs. That means these two are encoder and decoder chips. Okay, you will use HT12E with the transmitter and HT12D with the receiver. And when it sends the data, this will decode and give you back 4 bits of data. Okay, this two ICs communicate only 4 bits at a time. So all you can send from using this module is 0 to 16. That's it. Okay, so using that BCD, okay, binary coded decimal. This was the easy. This setup is very easy actually. Without using any microcontroller, you can make a RC car. Okay, you can make a remote controlled car just using these two ICs and transmitter and receiver. Then we have zigbee, XV modules and MRF, NRF modules. Okay, so these are actually non-standard ones. I mean, zigbee has a standard. MRF and NRF have proprietary protocols. Okay, so in case if you are using any of these, yes, there are NRF is very popular. You have a lot of projects on NRF and also zigbee. Okay, XB is the modules what you get based on zigbee protocol. MRF24J is a series of wireless modules from Microchip. Okay, Microchip company. Okay, so they have MRF protocol stack for this, and NRF has a lot of what you say that protocols written by lot of hobbyists. Okay, so they have speed limitations like NRF. They say they can send up to 2 Mbps. Okay, depending on the accuracy of the data sent. And MRF also they state they can send up to 1.5 Mbps and all, depending on the distance between the modules and how the condition of the signal is and all. Okay, so those things you can learn later, but this video is only for introducing these wireless options exist. Okay, then we have a GSM module. GSM module is basically you are building like basically a communication with your GSM network using SIM card. Okay, so I have this SIM 908 module. Okay, so in case if you can't see this, yeah, let me focus this. Okay, SIM 908 module. This is basically a GSM and GPS inbuilt. Okay, this is both GSM and GPS. But in case if you buy SIM 900, this is actually, I mean, like SIM 900 is only GSM. Okay, so for long distance or in case if you don't have connectivity and I mean like long distance in the sense if you want to communicate from one city to other city or around the globe, and you are in US and you want to turn on light of your home at your in India and all, so then yes, this is the option you can use and send the data. Okay, send an SMS and switch on the lights, those kind of things you can do. So that is where this GSM comes. And if you are using GPS and GSM, yeah, like this module, yes, you can actually trace where this your project is. That means in case if you have put this inside your car and you want to trace where this car is going, yes, you can use this. Okay, so then you can using GSM you will get the coordinates and send the coordinates using GPS as an SMS to your mobile. All those things you can do that. Okay, so that's the thing, okay, about GSM. Now nowadays we have two major players, that is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Bluetooth has there are a few modules for hobby market, and there are few industry purpose also, that means industry certified. Okay, so this is HC05. Okay, even HC06 looks the same way. Okay, the only difference is HC06 acts as only slave. Okay, and HC05 can act as master and slave. That means it can pair with another HC05 or HC06. Okay, that's the thing. This Bluetooth module will work only on SPP profile, that means serial port profile. Okay, in case if you power up this module and connect, I mean like if you pair your laptop with this module, the only option you get is comp port. Okay, so this will get connected as comp, and all the communication has to be done through serial communication. Okay, so in case if you connect this to your microcontroller, whatever data you get, it will be sent through TX. Okay, so serial communication. You can actually send back the data using RX. So obviously these modules are like bidirectional. That means you can send the data as well as receive. So then I have this LMX9838. Okay, so this module is from Texas Instrument. Okay, so these modules are certified. Okay, these modules are properly certified for industrial usage. Okay, and there is RN42/52, RN42, and there is one more module, RN52. These modules are from Microchip, and RN52 can be used as both SPP, and you can send audio also. Even this LMX also. Okay, this LMX9838, I guess this acts only as SPP. Okay, so there are a lot of other options available from TI, where you can actually write the data, I mean like write the code to use whichever protocol you want. Okay, so these are the options of Bluetooth. So if you are a hobbyist, this Bluetooth is more than enough to send few data and receive some data, and this works pretty well to make a Bluetooth controlled car or anything. Okay, so these are like industry purpose. You can actually, these are little costly, this is actually, I think RN52 is around and $25 somewhere I saw, and LMX is around $17. And this is actually a module, and this is only this IC. You had to build the PCB for this. Okay, so this is about Bluetooth. Then we have Wi-Fi options, and nowadays because of IoT, and there is one entire community for this module. This is actually ESP8266. Okay, 8266. This is very famous. It has become very famous the way this Bluetooth is. Okay, most of them are using this Bluetooth in hobby market, and the one more thing about this is certified. Okay, this is actually a certified FCC and CE compliant module, and this is relatively new, and everyone are using, like most of them are using this module for IoT. IoT in the sense Internet of Things. That means you can actually use this module and send the data to your mobile phone wherever you are, and you can actually write a code inside this. So that's the thing. Well, I'll explain all these things in a future video. Okay, similarly from Microchip there are MRF24W and RN171 modules, and this is from Texas Instrument, that is CC3100, that is 3100 and 3200. So CC3200, they say you can this is a SoC which has Bluetooth, I mean Wi-Fi stack inbuilt, and you can actually write a MCU code, that means microcontroller code, and burn inside this. So all you had to use this is this one IC, and there is no need of external microcontroller. Similar to this, even ESP, this is the same. It is an this is actually SoC, that is system on chip, which has TCP/IP stack inbuilt. Sorry, it's okay. This has TCP/IP stack inbuilt, and you can write the code for this MCU. Okay, so you can use Arduino IDE also. Recently I have downloaded, so let me go through that and come back on how to use this module. Okay, so that is the things of all the wireless options. Okay, so I think I have covered with almost all options available, okay, in all the areas, that is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GSM, Zigbee, and this 434 megahertz transmitter and receiver. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.